थैंक्स फॉर जॉइनिंग इन फोक्स। हम वार्तालाप कर रहे हैं और आज आपका दिमाग खाएंगे।
एंड वी वांट कि आप सब हमारे इस बातों का पार्ट बने और डिस्कस करें और बहुत सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर करें कमेंट्स में। ये लास्ट
बिल्कुल।
में at this point I feel like it's just a right time that we can discuss about the relationship traumas and हम
एब्सोल्युटली।
को किस तरह से यू नो डायरेक्ट कर सकते हैं इनटू समथिंग पॉजिटिव जो बहुत लोग नहीं सोचते हैं। सबके लिए ब्रेकअप इज अ बैड थिंग। I'd say it is not all that much bad. I get it कि आपका अटैचमेंट होता है लोगों के साथ, आप कनेक्ट हो जाते हो, बट it teaches you something. It's a phase, and then when you're out of it, आपने उस चीज़ से क्या सीखा है and how you can apply that to your life, that also matters. चेंज इज द ओनली कांस्टेंट गाइस। मतलब लाइफ में हर लेवल पे चेंज होना पड़ेगा। आप एक चीज पे चीजों को लेके अटक नहीं सकते हो। थिंग्स हैपन, शिट हैपेंस, यू मूव ऑन, गेट ऑन विद योर लाइफ।
राइट। आई मीन दैट्स हाउ it is. You have to grow up and move on, because if you don't, what will happen that you're just staying in the past and getting not not getting the ability to take, I guess, say, uh, catch of yourself, hold to yourself and move on, because what you're doing basically denying the fact and not accepting it. फिर क्या होता है ना, you have that हिंदी saying, what do you say, अंगूर खट्टे हैं। अगर अंगूर तोड़ नहीं पा रहे हो तो सारे अंगूर खट्टे हैं। So you
आई
start
अग्री।
feeling like that. So just because you went wrong in one or two things, bloody there are 10 million people around you. Billion, I'm sorry. Get out and just explore new things. That's it. Why is that you have to find people to get attached to?
आई थिंक just after you're done with your breakup situation, uh, don't look for anybody, don't look for nobody. um, Build yourself, have a thing that attracts people. You don't have to chase, don't be a chaser then. You gotta attract people
Absolutely.
to yourself, and that's not gonna come with like कि आप बैठ के रो रहे हो, you're sobbing, you are just crying. It's gonna come that you're building yourself. I feel like at this point you have to really conserve your energy that you give
Right.
out, be it friends, be it your boyfriend or girlfriend, be it people, acquaintances in your life. uh, I'd say that they don't, all of them don't deserve your energy entirely. You really have to prioritize कि आपको किसको कितनी एनर्जी देनी है। Well, that depends on you, that depends on your personality. It could be completely different for you and it could be completely different for me. So how
Mhm.
do you feel about it?
It's a very good question. For example, if I talk about conserving energy, I would say that it there's a two stages to it for me. For example, in a generalized way, I'll say that if you're not making a living, just stop there. It's not for you. If you're making a living somewhat, doing your own stuff, getting your own money, then go and explore people, meet new people, indulge in new things, make new hobbies. For example, if you're someone like me who's into fitness,
Hmm.
then you'll find good people at the places or affluent places where there are people who go for fitness, like in pilates classes or a gym session or an swimming classes, for example. Because somebody who is taking care of their body as a temple, as a it's like a good motivation for me to talk to that person and take an initiative.
Bro, I really wanted to talk about law of attraction a lot. So let's
Yeah,
do it.
coming to that, yes,
Yeah.
now I got that. So, law of attraction, in a generalized way, you have to explore new things, especially a teenager who are struggling with their hormones and going forward till the age you reach 22, 23. We are no one in a medical perspective to talk, Dutch and disclaimer here, but as a generalized way, as I experienced older, people in their later 20s coming forward with that, I'll say that if you don't explore things, what works for you, you'll not find the right fit for you. I mean, अगर आप एक jeans भी लेने जाते हो, bro, you try on 3 or 4 products. How can you
Mhm.
settle for one person in life when you have not met at least 5 or 6 of them in your life?
Explore. Well,
Yeah,
I would
this is how
say
it is.
law of attraction, something which I feel is work on yourself. Start with that. That's step number one. You don't want to attract people, those who are attracted to your, low
Money,
self esteem
personality,
and
yeah.
underconfident, and that you are vulnerable. Uh, that could be an easy target for them, you know.
That's a great question to start with.
Yes.
For example, if you have friends around you, especially those friends who understands you, or for example, you have good connect with, just you know, see what exactly clicked between you two. What was the fact that you guys are together since more than 5 years now? If you are with some friends with somebody and you call them best friend, it should be minimum 5 years of friendship. You can't say I met this random person 6 months back and he's my best friend. No, that doesn't work like that.
Yeah, I agree. I agree.
Yeah. I
I
mean, a
think
known enemy is better than an unknown friend.
for sure, for sure. सोचने के लिए लाइफ बहुत छोटी है. जो मने
हाँ.
करो, जो मने
Yes.
बोलो.
तोड़ू नाखो, फोड़ी नाखो, फुक्को कड़ी नाखो.
हाँ, वही सेम कॉपी पेस्ट
हाँ,
गाइस.
वही.
तो अब अगर आप सोचोगे, पता है सोचना बहुत एग्जॉस्टिंग है, एंड दैट
It is.
itself restricts you from doing stuff.
तो जो
Yes.
सेकंड पॉइंट आपने जो फर्स्ट पॉइंट बोली जहाँ पे यू सेड दैट यू नो जस्ट एक्सप्लोर न्यू पीपल एंड अंडरस्टैंड योरसेल्फ बेटर, व्हाट clicks for you, what
I was
works
talking,
for you.
yes, I was talking about the steps like
Yeah.
self development, character development, personality development. It's like a wholesome personality development in general.
Right.
Then, once you're on that journey, you will attract a lot of people in your life. Some
Absolutely.
will walk into your life to, you know, downgrade you from that space. Subconsciously or consciously, they will do that. First, they'll be
100%.
attracted by that thing, and then they'll walk into your life to downgrade you from that place. दे दैट कुड बी देयर ओन ट्रॉमा, और आपको नहीं पता होता फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम. मुझे ऐसा लगता है लड़कियों के साथ ही बहुत कॉमनली हो जाता है. दे थिंक
हाँ.
ओ इट्स लव, एंड यू गॉट अ सैक्रिफाइस इन लव एंड यू आर डू थिंग्स, इट्स फॉर द अदर पर्सन, एटलीस्ट वी आर इन लव. आई फील लाइक
100%.
या, तो वहां पे आपको थोड़ा टाइम लेके प्रोसेस करना पड़ता है. एज सुन एज यू फील इट्स गोइंग डाउन और इट हैज स्टॉप्ड ग्रोइंग, गेट आउट ऑफ इट. ब्रो, टाइम नहीं है अभी लाइफ में, एनर्जी नहीं है. प्लीज अपने आप को बचाइए ऐसे लोगों से, और डोंट वेस्ट टू मच टाइम.
Absolutely. I mean, this is something I go by every time because recently Nikhil Kamath, there was a podcast, I watch him and I follow him a lot, and he said a very good line: just list out the people who are bringing drama and eliminate them. And trust me, I have
Oh
done that.
yes, 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 I watched
Yeah.
that. Yes, yes.
Yeah, I have done that so many times in my life. People come to me in office or outside, they were like, bro, he's saying that about you and this about you, why are you not fighting and confronting that? Like, they don't deserve my energy, please. Jao,
Exactly.
lado.
People
And
don't
yeah,
understand.
मैंने उनको एक्चुअली लिस्ट आउट किया है, ड्रामा नंबर 1, ड्रामा नंबर 2, ड्रामा नंबर 3. गेट द शिट आउट ऑफ माय लाइफ. आई हैव नो एनर्जी इन टॉलरेटिंग यू, प्लीज गेट आउट.
That's exactly how it should be, yaar. पता है, like,
At the end of the day, I go by this saying, only one saying, that the only question, or sorry, the only person I'm answerable to is the person sitting at home, only your mom and dad. That's it.
yeah,
Apart from that, nobody cares for you effortlessly. You know, everybody has a purpose or a motive behind that. The only person that come up and ask you, have you eaten something, would be somebody from your family.
yeah,
Not a random person will say that, have you eaten or not, or you reached safely or not.
I
That is too
agree.
basic, but that is what I look forward in a person. That is a big green forest for me in a person. Join us both on Instagram. हम अपने handles भी share करेंगे.
Yes.
So we're looking forward. So you guys follow us, subscribe
Follow
us,
us,
and
subscribe, and we will
spread this shit
talk more
everywhere.
about all of us, that हम जिस चीज से गुजर रहे हैं, we'll address everything, we'll
Yeah.
talk. It's gonna be a wholesome conversation, guys. Thank you.
Absolutely. And if you want some topics that are hot for you and you are not feeling comfortable in
Please
discussing with your
comment
friends
down
group,
below.
yeah, absolutely. All right. See you guys. Have a good day ahead.
Bye.